Changing your bank account on Teachable Schools is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Teachable account. Access your Teachable account by visiting the Teachable website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the profile icon or your account name in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account details. Step 3. Access payment information. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Payment Information or Payout Settings. Click on this section to view your current bank account details and payment methods. Step 4. Update bank account details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure your new bank account is now linked to your Teachable account. By following these steps, you can successfully change your bank account on Teachable Schools. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy to ensure smooth transactions in the future.